Now let us move on to the next topic, is string. This is one of the skill and knowledge that you need to know for your test automation. Okay, in Python, string is considered as an array. So you can use any array method for the string. So and you can use sort of lot of string manipulation method, but we will talk about the main method that are important for us that we will usually use in our test automation. Okay, now let's say we have a string called apple, red apple. So the first method that we are going to learn, we're going to discuss is if we want to split it into two different array or list. So we use the split method. So we need to put it into the new variable, new list array. Split. Okay, by default, split, it will split this array, this string, into two different element in a list, and the default is white space. We can identify, we can define our separator, but we will discuss it later. Okay, now let's see it, and we bring this string. Okay, let's see. So we can see that this string had been split into two different elements. And if you want to identify the separator, so we have a comma here. So let's identify, split at comma. Also we do this because we identify this separator as comma. And then the next is if we want to convert this lowercase, we want to make it all uppercase. We use the upper method. So if you convert it into uppercase. If you want to convert it to lowercase, so we use the lower method. Go to okay, now it's converted into lowercase. So we continue with other string manipulation in the next video. That's all.